In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo 940 key fob. This process is super easy to do. You can do it in under 5 minutes and you won't need any special tools to get it done. You will just need a CR2025 battery, they're pretty cheap and you can get them online. And if you are interested, you can go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. The only other thing you'll need is a coin. Take your key fob, flip it over to the back. You can see there is this back section of plastic with an indentation in the middle. Take your coin, insert it in there and twist counterclockwise. And then this can kind of get stuck on your coin and just come right out. Sometimes it's kind of looks like it's not opened, but it is, and it's sitting down in there really closed. Mine isn't doing that now, but you'll just need to pry it out with your fingernail, or you can grab a flathead screwdriver or something, but it will, once you have it twisted all the way, it should come right out. Now, you can just leave this ring on there, but it is kind of finicky, so if it falls off, don't worry. We're just going to put that back on at the end. But for now, you just want to pull the battery right out of this piece of plastic. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2025 battery. There it is. And you want to make sure when you're putting your new battery into place here that the positive side with the plus sign on it is facing down. So you'll just push that down into place between these 3 tabs and it will sit in there nice and securely. You can put the ring right around those 3 tabs, just loop it around. And now you can put this back in place and you can kind of just turn it around until it won't sit securely until it's at this angle. So you can also just kind of copy what I'm doing here. Once it sits down in there nicely, you'll take your coin again, push down and turn clockwise until this is horizontal once again. And with that, you'll have your new battery in there and you should be good with this key fob for a very long time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to tell me about it down in the comments or just give this video a like. We do really appreciate that. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a video just like this one for your key. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.